What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the All-Inclusive Exclusive. Today we are on the MSC Seascape, and we are about to give you a tour of the Aurea Suite that we booked for this 8-day cruise. So let's go ahead and take a look around. This is a rather narrow suite. Normally when we've been on Royal, they're a little bit wider, but this one's narrower and longer. You've got a little sitting lounge over here. We've got some of our luggage stacked there. And as you come through, we're gonna have a TV. I'm guessing this has a hinge mount. Okay, it doesn't. That's as far as it goes. So you've got a TV there, coffee maker, coffee cups. We've got a little bit of a mini bar. The mini bar is going to be stacked. The mini bar is going to be stocked with a couple of Heinekens, a Sprite, a Coca-Cola, and 2 bottles of water. We've got some pull-out seating. So if you do need seating, makeup area, everything's great right here. There's also a pull-out table if you want something to rest your feet on. And then you've got drawers in addition to the closet that we're going to talk about in a little bit. You've got a couch. This couch can, I assume, be pulled into a fold-out bed. We're not going to be using that. It's just us this trip, so no need for the pull-out couch. We've got our room service menu. We've got some extra amenities here. So you've got a large bed. They've got a couple of towels here for us for pool service, the digital daily program, and the welcome aboard menu. We do have a bottle of champagne there that looks really good. We may have to try that in just a little bit. But one of the unique reasons that we booked this cabin specifically was for the patio and the hot tub on the patio. So let's go ahead and take a look at that and see if it was worth what we spent. So while this is a large patio, we've got the sun loungers here. That's something we haven't had on previous cruises. We've also got a large jacuzzi right here on the balcony. Something that's a little bit weird is you can see through the divider. There's a gap there right into your neighbor's balcony. So I guess if you're out here enjoying the hot tub, you may have somebody looking at you in audience. Just keep that in mind. And then you do have about, I don't know, 500 cabins that can look right down in on you on the other side of the ship. So while this is nice, we're going to let you know probably at the end of the day 1 video, I'm going to link to that at the end of this room tour, what we thought of it, because it could feel a little intrusive. So we're going to make that judgment at the end of this trip. So that said, let's go back into the room and we're going to show you the closet and the bathroom. All right, so let's take a look at the closet. The closet does open in, and I don't know really what to say here. You got plenty of hanging space. This being an 8-day cruise, 7-night cruise, it feels like this might not be enough room. The safe is very small. It won't fit a laptop. It may fit an iPad, your phones, your cash, your passports, but it's nothing that's going to fit computers or large electronics, which is a little disappointing because we brought all of our computers to be able to edit the videos. Lots of drawers, lots of space, so I'm happy with that, but it isn't as big as we were expecting for what we paid for this trip. Lastly, let's talk about the bathroom. The bathroom is okay. You've got a large tub shower combo, very small in the toilet and sink area. I think we're going to be okay with this because it does have the larger bathtub area, but it's not the best we've ever had. Now, that said, we did not upgrade to Yacht Club. We didn't get an oversized suite, but we did pay for a suite. So we're going to let you know over the course of the day 1 video whether this was worth it or not, because it feels a little small now, but it may be worth it in the end. So that said, this is the Aurea Suite on the MSC Seashore. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video. As always, comment down below if there's a video you'd like to see us make. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.